Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 17th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, in my morning video, I was saying that perhaps this was going to go up and make like a wave C before it went down, but I also said that I wouldn't really be interested in that long because the trend is down on the daily, especially since we got this break of structure down right here. So, the trend is definitely down, and the trend is always your friend. That's why this morning I was saying that I wouldn't really recommend longs and that I would stay focused on looking for shorts. Now I get this Fibonacci extension from here to here because if this is like an ABC flat, then it could definitely make a move up. It could definitely go up and take out these highs and then later on continuing down. But my same advice is this morning, I would be very cautious about going longs because even if it does make a bounce, it could just make a lower high and just go down. It could even make a smaller bounce than that and just keep on going down, especially if this really is a wave three on the daily time frame, like a big wave three of wave A, like I suspected it could be. If it really is that big wave three, it's going to be very impulsive down on the daily, which means small pullbacks on these sort of time frames. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.